Hello, good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study the second lesson, English. Are you happy? Okay. Are you fine? Are you fine? Yes or no? Yes, I am fine. Okay. Second lesson, second class, second lesson. It's a very simple lesson. Very easy. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. You know how many letters in English? How many alphabets? How many letters in English? You know it? How many? There are 26 letters in English. There are 26 letters in English. I already written the border list. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the English letters. This is a small letters. Oh, capital letters also. Capital letters like that. You know it. A. These are the small letters. Total 26 letters. Don't forget it. Okay. Okay. My question: how many letters in English? Answer: there are. I say there are 26 letters in English. एक बार बोलो आप. There are 26 letters in English. Question one say question: how many letters in English? Question: how many letters in English? Answer: there are 26 letters in English. How many? 26. Don't forget it. Okay. Then starting letter A. First letter कौन सा है? A. और लास्ट लेटर कौन सा है? Z. फर्स्ट लेटर A. A के बाद B, B के बाद C, C के बाद D, D के बाद E, ऐसे A, B, C, D, E, F. and इसे ये लेटर्स एक ऑर्डर में, it is an order. This order is known as alphabetical order. वो correct order है. Then I will write some of these. First letter B or D, A, F. ये भी letters. This also letters B, D, A, F. But problem ये alphabetical order में नहीं है. Because we can write this. Which is the first letter? A. A के बाद this is the one B. B. B के बाद A, B, C, D. ये 3 D. वो आखिरी में वो ये 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये order है. ये गलत है. It is not an order. It is an order. ये order है. It is known as alphabetical order. Do you understand it? Okay. Okay, I will write some letters on the board. Listen. D, E, A, O, L. The question. It is the letters. Write in order. Write these letters in alphabetical order. ये question. Question one है write the letters in alphabetical order. कैसे देंगे? First letter कौन सा है? ये. ये. Okay. इसमें second letter कौन सा आएगा? Second ये completed है. ये हो गया. Then A, B, C, D. A, B, A, D. ये number 2 आएगा. A, B, D. Okay. D के बाद E. Number 3 E. E के बाद then O L. 2 लेटर बाकी है. इसमें फर्स्ट लेटर L है. L है. L के बाद L, M, N, O. Y. This is the answer. And this is known as alphabetical order. वो ऐसे तो order में you should write in the order and it is known as alphabetical order. Don't forget it. It is an alphabetical order letter writing. Then words writing. Words. Boy, April, cat. B-O-Y, boy. A-double-P-L-A, April. C-A-T, cat. Boy, April, cat. 3 words. My question is that write in alphabetical order. ये भी alphabetical order. कैसे लिखना? आप एक काम करना, सबसे पहले ये वर्ड्स का फर्स्ट लेटर चेक करना. फर्स्ट लेटर हंड्रेड करो. B, A, C. वो ये ऑर्डर में what word will come in the first day or what letter will come in the first day? B, A, C. Can you say the answer? Can you say? Who will say answer? Okay. Can you say it? No. I will say. First letter A. No doubt. A. So first letter A. A double P L E. April. Oh, just second letter check करना. Second letter A के बाद B. B. Boy. Boy और ये completed है. This also completed है. एक बार से C. C letter है. So cat. And here these words we are written in alphabetic order. ये alphabetic order नहीं है. ये alphabetic. और this order is known as the, don't forget, alphabetical order. Okay. One more thing. B-O-Y, bat, bear. Boy, bat, bear. वो कैसे लिखें? How can we write in alphabetic order? Because the first letter, तो तीनों में एक ही लेटर. Boy, first letter B. Bath, first letter B. Bird, first letter B. ये pronunciation B-I-R-D, इसमें bird बोलेंगे. B-I-R-D, R sound नहीं है, R silent है. B-I-D, bird. ऐसे बोलो, bird, not bird. Bird wrong है. Bird, ऐसे बोलो. Boy, bath, bird. इसमें first letter वो तीनों में एक ही लेटर है. So we will check the second letter. Second letter देखना. Second letter O, A, I. तो second letter में what will come in this order and ABCD order? वो ABCD order में first letter A वाला है. So first B-A-T. B-A-T, bat. तो second letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I. There. So second letter B-I-R-D. Okay, B-I-R-D. The third letter Y के बाद I-J-K-L-M-N-O. A. O. So third letter B-O-V. This is the alphabetical order. So first letter same. In this case, so second letter same है. The third letter check करना. First letter or second letter, this case so same case है. You should check the third letter. और third letter भी same है. Then fourth letter check करना. वैसे करना. Okay. This is about the alphabetical order. Do you understand it? Yes. वो वीडियो आप अच्छा से देख रहे हो. 2 बार देखो वीडियो, दिक्कत नहीं है. उसके बाद आपको थोड़ा वर्क भी है. You should do something work. Homework है. Alphabetic order. What is it? I will give some words the write in alphabetical order in your fair copy. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Next day, I will come in front of you tomorrow with another lesson. Okay. Bye. God bless you.